The Extinguisher deer call is outselling other deer calls on the market more than 10 to 1 for a reason, because it just plain works. The modest slide allows you to go from the fawn to the doe to the buck in an instant. It also serves to loosen or free up a sticky or frozen reed by sliding it back and forth. Now, the natural tones and the natural volume is what really sets this call apart. It can bring out the instincts in a deer so that you can control what you want them to do. The Extinguisher comes in different color options, black and multiple camo. The throat tube design allows you to do directional calling so you can manipulate where you want the deer to go. And best of all, the Extinguisher is made in the USA. All Illusion products are supported by detailed instructional videos. You can find these videos on the free Deer Society app. Not only that, but you'll be supported with different videos from hunting tips, hunting segments, how to use your products more effectively in the field to help you become more successful. Download the free Deer Society app on the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store.